Portable blenders have become an essential gadget for people on the go, offering the convenience of making smoothies, shakes, and even baby food wherever you are. Whether you're traveling, heading to the gym, or just want a quick blend at the office, having a reliable portable blender can make all the difference. In this article, we'll take a look at the best portable blenders of 2024, highlighting their key features, pros, and cons to help you choose the one that fits your needs. Our top choice is the Nutribullet Ultra NB50500, a high-performance personal blender that combines power, durability, and innovative design. With its impressive 1200-watt motor, it's the most powerful single-serve blender on the market, capable of effortlessly blending tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. Despite its power, the Ultra operates quietly thanks to a specialized design that reduces noise. Its sleek, space-saving profile fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and the illuminated interface offers intuitive control with two blending options. The blender's cups are made from Triton Renew, a BPA-free, shatter-resistant material with 50% certified recycled content, ensuring both durability and sustainability. The rapid extractor blade, coated in titanium, enhances longevity and efficiency, allowing for quick nutrient extraction. With easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe parts and a versatile range of uses, from smoothies to nut butters, the Nutribullet Ultra NB50500 stands out as the ideal choice for those seeking a powerful, convenient, and health-focused blending solution. Our second choice is the Ninja BN401 BK Blast, a compact and cordless blender designed for powerful on-the-go blending. Despite its small size, this blender delivers impressive performance, effortlessly crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients to create perfectly smooth drinks anywhere. With an 18 ounces capacity, it offers ample space for your favorite smoothies and shakes, while the easy-open sip lid and hinged carry handle make it convenient to take your drink on the go. The Ninja Blast is USB-C rechargeable, ensuring cord-free convenience, and features separate power and blend buttons to prevent accidental use. Its components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. With its durable construction, sleek design, and powerful Ninja Blast technology, the Ninja BN401 BK Blast stands out as the ideal choice for anyone seeking a portable, high-performance blender that can keep up with a busy lifestyle. Next up, we have the Nutribullet Pro Plus, a high-performance personal blender that maximizes nutrient extraction with its powerful 1200-watt motor, double the power of the original Nutribullet. This enhanced model is designed for those who want to effortlessly blend even the toughest ingredients, from whole fruits to nuts and seeds, ensuring you get the most nutrition out of your food. The Pro Plus offers a pulse function for precise control, allowing you to create everything from smooth blends to chunky salsas, and it automatically shuts off after 60 seconds for optimal nutrient extraction. With two included cups and resealable lids, it's perfect for those with busy lifestyles, making nutrition on the go easy and convenient. The blender is also incredibly easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe cups and a simple rinse for the blades. Durable, versatile, and built to last, the Nutribullet Pro Plus is an ideal choice for anyone looking to make nutrient-rich smoothies and more with ease. Our fourth choice is the Ninja BN401 Nutribullet Pro, a compact yet powerful personal blender ideal for those who need versatility in the kitchen. Equipped with a 1000 peak watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice and blends even the toughest ingredients, delivering smooth, consistent results. The BN401 features two Auto IQ preset programs, Smoothie and Crush, designed to optimize blending speed and time for various ingredients, making it easy to create nutrient-packed smoothies, sauces, and more. The blender comes with two 24-ounce single-serve cups that double as blending containers, complete with spout lids for on-the-go convenience. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space, while its durable construction promises long-lasting performance. If you're seeking a reliable blender that combines power and ease of use, the Ninja BN401 is an excellent choice for your kitchen. Our last selection is the Nutribullet N12, a high-performance portable blender that excels in extracting nutrients from your favorite ingredients. With a robust 1200-watt motor, the N12 easily blends even the toughest fruits, vegetables, and nuts, ensuring consistently smooth results. Its pulse function offers precise control, making it perfect for creating textured dips, sauces, and nut butters. The unique auto-extract technology maximizes the nutritional value of your ingredients, while its versatile use allows you to prepare a wide range of recipes, from smoothies to soups. The N12 is designed for convenience, featuring dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup and a compact, sleek design that fits effortlessly in any kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking for an efficient way to prepare nutritious meals, the Nutribullet N12 is a solid choice for your kitchen. offering powerful performance in a user-friendly package. That's it for our list of the best portable blenders of 2024. Whether you're blending up a quick smoothie on the go or making a protein shake at the gym, these options have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more reviews and top picks just like this one. Let us know in the comments which portable blender caught your eye or if you have any other favorites. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.